Welcome back. A women's cell has been launched by NYC unit of Goa State on the eve of birthday of senior leader of Nationalist Youth Congress Sharad Pawar.
NYC President Rajan Ghate, Uday Sawant, newly appointed President of Women's Cell Advocate Kapila Chandelkar, Umesh Bhakta, Edwin Fernandez and other members were present for the function. Membership forms were also introduced. Our reporter from Panji, Yashwant Parab.
Don't be a part of cruelty for sake of fashion. People for the ethical treatment of animals urge Goans to protect animals by not using items made from their skins.
Demand for items made out of animal skin is increasing day by day. Stop cruelty to animals were their message. PETA, as the organization is popularly known, staged a unique dharna in animal dress in front of Captain of Ports in Panji. Here is what the coordinator of PETA, Surbhi Arora, says.
They should not wear the items which are made from animal skins, that is the leather and fur. People normally in Goa do not wear fur because it's not a cold place. However, in the fashion accessories, you have fur trims like in your handbag, or maybe there is a little collar on your jacket, leather jacket, or would have a fur collar or something. So we have come to the state of Goa, which is Christmas time, and we want to tell the residents, think of your joy and think of the joy of animals. Also, please do not wear any item which is made from animal skin.
Buying leather and fur items made out of animals directly contributes to cruelty to animals. This was PETA's one more attempt to safeguard many species of animals of extinction. A reporter in Panji, Manoj Arolkar.
Jeevan Aastha, a new plan has been launched by Life Insurance Corporation of India. It's a unique premium policy with guaranteed tax-free returns. This scheme is available only for 45 days.
If you are up to 40 years of age, then no medical is required. If the premium you are going to put in as a single premium is 1 lakh, and if you are a professional or in a government service, that is our non-medical special scheme, then up to 7.5 lakhs, no medicals are required, which comes with the guarantee of LIC.
Our reporter from Panji, Manoj Arolkar.
Let's look at the headlines once again. Consumer Redressal Commission judge resigned amidst doubt. Gold ornaments worth ₹3 lakhs stolen at Vasantrao Lotlikar Jewellers. Terror hits tourism industry, tourists go backpacking. Why another industrial estate at Karmai when units in Khorli are still unoccupied? And stop cruelty to animals, PETA come to Goa with a message. And with this we come to an end of this newscast. Keep watching Prudent Media. Watch more news in our Konkani Bulletin.
Sluice gate collapses, fills damage in Kortali. Security tighten in Kala Akademi amidst terror threats. And CRG holds a special Bal Melawa.